everyone, it's Marissa from StrongSuit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate summaries and identify inconsistencies in a deposition transcript, as well as generate deposition questions. To find our depositions tool, you can look under the litigation section on our homepage. To get started, add a new matter. Simply type in the title of your matter, a brief description of the deposition transcript that you're uploading, and some background information about your case. You'll also have the option to include causes of action, defenses, and the names of the parties involved in your case. You'll be able to find your matter down below, where you'll then proceed to upload documents. You can upload background information including legal briefs, complaints, and answers on the left-hand side, and you can upload one deposition transcript on the right-hand side. You can either upload documents by clicking the Select File button or by dragging and dropping documents from your local drive. Once you've uploaded documents, navigate to Summary and Quotes, where you'll find a summary of your deposition transcript as well as key quotes that relate to your case. If you continue to scroll through the bottom of the page, you'll find inconsistencies in a deposition transcript noted for you. If you have any questions about your transcript, navigate to the Find Answers tab, where you'll be able to type in questions. If at any time you want to go back and revisit your work, navigate to the Command Center on the left-hand side, where you'll see the documents that you have uploaded, as well as the deposition that you've uploaded. If you would like to generate your own deposition prep questions, navigate to the Form Questions tab on the right-hand side. Type in information for the party that you will be deposing, including background information and any types of questions that you would like included. You'll have the option to select whether a deponent is an expert witness, as well as list out any specific types of inquiries you would like to include, including discrediting a witness or exposing bias. You can also upload relevant documents down below. Once you're ready, hit Generate Questions at the bottom of the page. We'll provide you with a list of deposition questions, as well as some suggestions to succeed in your deposition. If you have any questions as you go through this tool or any other tools on our platform, please feel free to reach out to support@strongsuit.com. Thank you.